Stop guessing and start trading with logic. If you want to grow your account consistently on Quotex, you need to master one thing: price action. Hello everyone, welcome back to Mus Traders. In today's live session, I am going to break down exactly how I find high probability entries using simple support and resistance levels. No complicated indicators, just pure market movement. Right now, I'm scanning the markets. You can see I'm flipping through pairs like GBP/AUD and AUD/USD. The goal here isn't to trade every candle, but to wait for the market to come to us. Watch closely. I'm analyzing the trend here. We're looking for rejection candles that tell us the price is about to reverse or continue. Okay, pause for a second and look at this setup on AUD/USD. Notice how the candles are reacting here. We see strong bullish momentum. The price has rejected the lower level and is pushing up. This green candle is showing strength. I'm taking a call trade here. Why? Because the buyers are stepping in aggressively. We aren't fighting the trend, we're riding the momentum of this minor uptrend. Pause for 5 seconds while trade plays out. Trading binary options is all about timing. Once you enter, you have to trust your analysis. Don't panic if the candle flickers red for a second. Look at that push. This is what happens when you wait for a clear confirmation candle. The market respects the buying pressure. And there it is. That's a deep ITM, or in the money, a clean win to start the session. Let's move on. I'm switching back to GBP/AUD. Now, look at this structure. We're seeing a downtrend. The market is making lower highs. I've placed a down option here. Here is the logic. We have a horizontal resistance level that the price struggled to break. The previous green candle was weak and the sellers are pushing it back down. This is a classic rejection trade. When the price hits a ceiling and can't break through, the probability of a reversal is very high. Pause while watching the red candle form. Many beginners make the mistake of buying just because the price is low, but here at Mus Traders, we follow the trend. If the trend is down, we look for sells. Perfect reaction. The sellers took control exactly as predicted. Another profit secured. Now, let's keep the momentum going. I see another opportunity to continue this bearish move. I'm entering down again. The market is still showing selling pressure. However, guys, this is an important lesson. The market is not a straight line. Sometimes you will see retracement candles, those small green candles that go against your direction before the trend continues. As the trade fluctuates, if this trade goes against me, I am mentally prepared. You must have a money management plan. Never bet your whole account on one trade. If I lose this, I will look for a better entry to recover. At 30 seconds, it's fighting around our entry point, getting tight. This is the reality of trading. It requires patience. At 43 seconds, okay, that was a close one, but notice how the analysis held up. The level held.